is a
Solid.
solid. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, the last one. Rain forms from the cloud. Remember, it's up in the cloud. Rain is
Gas.
yes, it forms from the cloud, falling down
Liquid.
is liquid. Very good. Okay. Well, we are coming to the end of our lesson. So we are going to review what we have been learning. We know that matter, there are three states. First is, Faustina,
Solid.
offer,
Gas.
lighting.
Liquid.
Very good. Eh? We saw how the particles behave differently in each state. How the particle behave, Anessa, in solid. Look at this. They are all one inside there in the solid. The particles are one in the solid.
Together.
Yes, very good. What happened to the particle in the liquid, Faustina?
It moves freely.
Okay, and the gas lighting?
Far
Part and
Move freely.
Very good. Okay, now we also know when the heating, just like we have seen from our kettle, and cooling can cause
Solid.
solid and
Melts.
melts. And we now know how change in the matter of from solid, liquid, and gas are the three states of matter, arrangement of the particles. So I hope you learned from our class, and you can able to take what you have learned to be continual from your study here in Ocean of Life. And thank you very much.